So introducing our Synxpedi Miracle Foot Mask. Now this is exactly as described. It's designed to be used weekly for maximum benefit. It's different from all the other single-use mask products on the market because a lot of the other products either cause peeling of the skin, which is unhealthy and dangerous, and it can last for weeks afterwards. And also for the environment, it's not great to have single-use masks everywhere, and they don't also encourage you to use it weekly and have a good routine to have better skin and natural heals. In each box of Synxpedi Miracle Foot Mask, you will receive the Miracle Mask, which has 10 plus uses, and also the sustainable booties. So what you actually do is apply the mask with the spatula to your heels and dry areas. You apply the booties and set your feet up for 20 minutes, resting, and then you wash it off. Now, how our Miracle Mask is different is it has 35% urea, as well as salicylic acid, natural AHAs and BHAs to slough off the skin naturally and help you have silky smooth heels.